Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have a laptop and you can see here I have to connect the internet Wi-Fi, but no internet access. When I open, it's not working the internet. So how can you fix this problem? So first you have to open the Internet Explorer, any Windows 8, 7, 8.1 and 10, 11, and go to the tools of Internet Explorer. If you do not find the tools, click the right click and menu bar, and make a check menu bar and go to tools and go down. And guys, you can see here is the general, and go the last and the advanced, and go down here the reset and delete the personal settings and reset. Wait until finish this all, close, and check now. You see it's working. So if you have problem like this, sometimes is problem for the antivirus or some programs or some settings issue this problem. So you can go to the Internet Explorer main menu and go to tools and go down the internet option and go to the advanced and down the reset and delete all personal settings and click reset, and it will be work 100%. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video.